it's just an amazing rig. That's all I got to say. We're going to do a walk around in a little bit. I got to get some stuff out of the garage, and I'm just going to let it warm up for a second.
So this is Cecil's new toy. It's the workhorse of the farm. We're going to be the workhorse of the farm. Just got it yesterday. Love it. We'll give you a little walkthrough of everything. We got a blade put on the front to do the driveway. Seats 6 people. Has heating and air conditioning.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
Can-Am Defender Series 2026. It's the Max Edition, so it's pretty much has everything on there that we wanted on there. 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. It has multi-function, sport mode, normal mode, everything. The main reason why we got it is for the farm, and I also got a snow plow on it that we could do our snow plowing, because we have a lot of snow to move when it does snow here. Yeah, so it's got 30-inch tires, black aluminum rims, which looks absolutely beautiful. Come over here, I'll take you a look. It's a 4-door as well.
I noticed that the doors open backwards.
Yeah, the doors open backwards. They say it's because it's considered a work vehicle. It's easier to get in and out of when you do it, so. We're not getting sponsored by any means. I had to pay full price for this thing. And buddy, it hurt. But it's amazing. This unit comes with AC, heat, 6-speaker system. What?
You want to turn it off? Because of the sound of the engine?
Jesus.
There we go.
I had to turn it off so you don't get to hear the rev, boys. It's a woman thing, I guess. Like I was saying, this one's a limited edition so it comes with the 6-speaker system, a JL audio system. It's fantastic. It's all Bluetooth system, so I can hook up my Starlink and everything else can all get hooked up. It's got a 10.25-inch flat screen with GPS navigation systems, and total displays of everything on the unit is also in there.
Maps built right in.
Maps are built right into it. Plus I can hook up a BRP system, and it's actually one of the apps built into this that gives me a better navigation system if I want it. So for 6 seats, center console drops down in the front, coffee holders, storage everywhere on this thing. The front windshield opens up. If I can do it in here. Yeah, there we go. That opens up in case you want flies in your face, but I don't, so chances are it will be closed 90% of the time. So just closes back down, locks in the spot, done, just like that. Okay, the back seats. Hold on, I'm coming around. Back seats have a ton of space as well. Very roomy. The only thing with this, I guess the back seat does drop down too. So there's lots of leg room and everything else in there as well. You can get 4 adults, 2 kids, or some skinny people can go in it as well. I just noticed the back ones have a headrest and the front ones don't. Mm-hmm. Huh, that's funny. That's different actually. Probably an add-on. But yeah, it's just absolutely gorgeous rig. We're pretty sure the doors all come on and off if you prefer that, but why? You bought an enclosed one, go with the enclosed one with the AC and everything else on there. All right. Now the back part, this was made by a young guy in Miramichi, and it's all custom. Everything. Dragonfly Fabrications. Absolutely fantastic. It's got 6 LED lights on there, super bright. It's going to be really good for on the trails and everything else when we're going. So this opens up. This is my backdrop. Goes here. This bed as well will actually, it's a dump bed. So we can throw stuff in there or whatever we're doing and just dump it out whenever we're going. Now we're in the Maritimes, so there's actually a fish ruler on the back of here. And 2 beer holder spots, right here and right here. It looks fantastic.
No drinking and driving.
No drinking and driving. Bring your wife. It also has a light system and a 12-volt system in the back. This was added in because of the custom box that we had put on there. Comes with spare tire. And let's go show them the snowplow. Comes with a 6,500 pound capacity winch already built onto it. And we also got the snowplow on it. Right here. After shoveling all the snow, and now it hasn't snowed in a couple of days, so kind of annoying, but it is what it is. These units also come for this year. It's all a reinforced shocking system, crossbars, joints, everything is all reinforced for this model year on it. The Limited also comes with the great big metal bumper rack in the front where I can attach another 4,500 pound winch if I choose to. Can go right up in here. But we don't need it because the one on the bottom is good for 6,500 pounds. I also had the fender flares put on. It's a really good idea. That way we won't get mud flecked up all over everything. So,
Do you want to go show them how the blade goes up and down?
yeah, I got to start it though. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Still not getting paid. Listen to that rumble. All kinds of storage on here too, guys. Which is, it's kind of funny because we are not rough with anything, but like on here, like everything is meant to be rough with, basically is what it is, right? So I'm just trying to see what's going on. Oh, okay. What the fuck is this for? Oh, on and off, I guess. Okay. All right, so the winch system. Up and down, that's up. It's very, very, very powerful. I just go until I hear it go bing. Right there. It actually lifted the front of the rig up. It's so powerful. Now putting this snowplow on and off will literally take us 5 minutes. I'll show you that at a different time. Now I'm just going to bring it up until you can hear it. It's fantastic. We got a mirror in the front, going to the back, all kinds of different ports and everything in here as well. It's really cool rig. It's really awesome. So what I'm going to do now is get some tunes going. And I got to put some Salt and Sound down today. So Teresa's going to be driving it. She can set the camera up on the inside here when she's ready. And go at her. So now I got to figure out how to set up the media.
We gotta get some sand and salt down. All we've got on the driveway right now is just all of this ice. It just keeps building and building up. It gets warmer during the day and melts a little bit, but then again it freezes at night. So Cecil has bought some salt and sand. So Cecil is just going to mix some sand and salt that we've purchased and go ahead and put them in the driveway. We'll use the Can-Am to go up and down the driveway a little bit.
All I'm doing, guys, this is called traction salt. Our driveway is really icy. So I gotta throw a bit of this in here and throw a bag of salt. And just give it a good mix. Might have put a little bit too much, but we'll see. I Just thinking, this is gonna be like
This
fucking-
is different than what
This is
you
gonna
bought
be
last
like,
time.
yeah, it is. Ice salt, it's called.
Oh,
Different.
might be what?
I might have to go get a bucket. I think I put too much in.
Do you want me to get the bucket?
No, give me a second here. I'll just figure it out.
You can mix it as we're going too, because
Yeah.
then it'll get.
But I want to get some of the salt and the sand mixed together before we get going, right?
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Get it back here. What's the matter?
It's so heavy. It's like 80 pounds now.
You should have mixed it in the back
Yeah,
of
I
it.
should have mixed it in the back.
All right, you want me to help? All right, so I'll reverse down the driveway,
Yeah.
and then we can go ahead.
Here, So, boys, what Teresa's going to do now is she's going to turn around. I'm just trying not to kill myself on the ice here, so if it's a bit rocky, that's why. And trying to get out of Teresa's way too, because she'll run my ass over. Now she got a Can-Am.
I just have it in low right now. Didn't want to put it too high. And the guys were saying that you've got to do the brakes every now and then
What the fuck can you do
because they have a wear-in period. So you don't want to just go and slam them.
It's good. Don't be afraid to hit the gas.
I'm afraid to hit the gas.
Baby, you light up my life. It's kind of funny, guys. This is Valentine's Day today. 10 years ago on Valentine's Day, I got Teresa a car. And today, she gets a Can-Am. Good. 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 My Jesus. I should get her a fucking hearing aid.
To give you a view of this, I don't know if I can actually see it very well in the light. We've got, this is the little screen that we have. You can get the map on the right and
Okay.
directions on the left. We can connect to the Wi-Fi. We can do Bluetooth. Got all of this stuff down here. We got heat and air conditioning. Glove box. There's storage up here. There's the
Okay. Now we're getting into the ice.
again, lots of seating in the back. Those are the speakers, of course. We've got in-dome lighting. Look at that, we finally got some snow. Cecil gets to try his new toy. Let's see how he's doing. Ah, it looks pretty good. It's plowed a little bit down here. Where's he going? Two swipes. Very good.